Guys, thought I could do a walk-in of 0834 and a 2008 ICCE with the maxForce DT engine. Air door. Already showed you guys that. Noise kill switch, red override, master flasher, strobe light, dome lights, heated mirrors, 2 rear heaters, defrost fan, driver heater, stepwell heater, 2 fans, your lamp check switches down there, door switches, light switches, parking brake, gear selector, ignition switch, radio, and how's that on? I do not know how that's on. Cruise control. But yeah, 263,000 miles on it. Yep, it's one of the earlier 8s. But yeah, thought I could get a walk in. Thanks for watching.
Anticon.
Has come and gone, fading in the wind like the other ones, but we have one dance to make it count, so let's enjoy the night as we can.
Let's enjoy the night as we can. Look in my eyes and hold my hand. I'll do you right, you know our plan. So for the night, girl, let's dance.
Feels like a bullet went right through me, because I know this will be our last school dance. Everybody grab each other's hands and let's dance like it's our very